In this video, we will show you how to complete the field upgrade to your ICE unit, adding the BLE option to work with your Hoffer ICE smartphone apps. These are available for use on mainboards PCA 188, Rev B, and higher. Your ICE BLE kit will include the following: the Bluetooth module, standoffs, 2 jumpers, a power cable, and a USB drive. The tools needed will include the ICE BLE field upgrade instructions, 1/4-inch socket driver, and a small Phillips screwdriver. Before proceeding, it is recommended to print the configuration from the ICE for future reference. Some parameters may revert to default values and need to be entered manually after the software upgrade. Download the Hoffer ICE mobile app from the iTunes App Store or Google Play. Next, disconnect power to the ICE and unthread the 2 front thumb screws. Remove the front panel and slide the mainboard PC 188 out of the enclosure. All ribbon connectors may be disconnected except for the 3-pin power cable connected to J1. Confirm PCA board is Rev B or higher once removed. At this point, locate jumpers JP3, JP5, and JP7, JP8 on the main circuit board of the PCA 188. Move JP4 to JP3 and JP6 to JP5. Next, install jumpers JP7 and JP8. These are the 2 jumpers included in the upgrade kit. Connect the serial cable from computer serial port to the DB9 connector J7 on the PCA 188 board. A USB to RS-232 adapter may be used if an RS-232 port is not available on the PC. Now apply power to the PCA 188. On the USB flash drive included in the upgrade kit, locate the program file ice-config 081717.exe and the firmware file ice-031219.txt or later. Click on the ice-config 081717.exe to run the ICE configuration program file. Select the COM port that the ICE is connected to. Test communications by clicking the Test BSL connection button. The message Changed Baud Rate to 57600 appears. Click OK. Verify OK is displayed in the test results window. Communications test OK. Type the name of the file to be downloaded, ice-031219.txt. Click the Download Software button to begin installing the software. The message Beginning Download appears. Click OK. Downloading may take several minutes. Do not move the cursor from the ICE program window or navigate away from the program. This could interrupt the download process. When Download Successful is displayed in the download results window, the firmware upgrade is complete. Close the program and turn off the power to the ICE. Next, move jumpers JP3, JP5, and JP7 and JP8 to the operate positions. Now attach the 2 1/4-inch hex standoffs to the threaded portion of the DB9 connector on PCA 188. Plug the Bluetooth LE module assembly into the DB9 connector on PCA 188. Secure the module using the two 440 by 5/16 inch pan head screws. Now connect the power cable from J8 on PCA 188 to J2 on PCA 197, the BLE module. Connect the ribbon cables, insert the PCA 188 into the enclosure, and replace the front panel. Now power on the ICE unit and verify that the software starts properly. During the first power on, a series of yellow screens or a static splash screen will be displayed. Press the clear button to continue. Verify the configuration parameters and change any settings as needed. The ICE is now ready to use with the Hoffer ICE mobile app. This completes your field installation. Thank you for using Hoffer Cryogenic Flow Measurement Systems.